exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn.
Hey, what's up people? So today I just want to share like the full experience or the full routine of a trip. So I will show you the the loading part at the company, then we are going to drive to the construction site where we have a little bit of reverse driving, and I'll share the unloading part, and then we just go back to the company. So it's nothing special. The construction site is just around the corner, like 10 kilometers from here. So, and for now we just have to take a look where we can load the stones. And for that I will just ask the forklift driver right there. The stones are on the left side here. Ah, yeah, okay. It's like the gray ones. Okay, so I will change the camera position.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like.
Okay, so we just loaded the truck. So now let's get out of the company. Okay, so we just arrived in a minute, I guess. It's just next to the right, and then we have like a small street, and then I will change the camera position so you can see the reverse part in a better way. Okay, you see this huge area right there. This is where we have to get in.
have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night pinning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today.